I want to tell you about these Blue Beats headphones and the details that caught my attention. The packaging looks clean, and each item has its own place, keeping everything organized. After removing the paperwork, I found a black zippered case that keeps the headphones protected. Inside the case were the Blue headphones and the cables needed to charge them or use them with a compatible device. The color caught my attention because it is different, modern, and easy to recognize. I also liked the soft ear cushions and the lightweight feel when holding them. The headband can be adjusted for a better fit, and the headphones fold neatly into the case. That makes them convenient to carry in a backpack or keep stored when they are not being used. As a customer, the set feels practical and well organized. I'm not a technology expert, but I appreciate products that are simple to understand and comfortable to handle. The case, the cables, the blue finish, and the foldable design all work well together. My overall impression is that these headphones are attractive, useful, and easy to include in an everyday routine.